Hi everyone, this is Troy and welcome to session 5. So in the past 4 sessions we kind of went start to finish. I thought we'd take this time just to do a quick run through summary, okay? So we've uploaded our project. We're just going to click on our tab to kind of make this one bigger, and we'll just do a quick takeoff on these units. Now we've already set our scale, but to do so we would have clicked that. Highly recommend calibrating off a known distance. If not, remember, go to standard scales and then use your dimension line to verify, like a doorway or something, just so that you know that scale looks good. Now we created some takeoff templates in the previous version, so we can just grab them off of our library right here. So let's do some 12-inch tile. And then we're also going to, let me delete those out, sorry about that. Let's add in the label group that we had previously done. So we'll go to our label group library and we'll pull out this one called unit. Back into our project, we can say that that is unit A. We can go over here to our rectangle, drop that across like so, unit B, and unit C. All right, looking good. We'll go ahead and end that. Let's go back over to our library and say that we're going to do, do I have one in here for vinyl? Of course not, so let's do a different kind of flooring. 4x4 tile sounds good to me. Again, we're going to do our grouping, and I'll make this rather sloppy for time's sake. B, and C. And we're good. So we can go to back to our takeoff, and we're going to see our total square footage here. We can see it there, or we can go to the reports. We can go up here. We can go to the takeoff quantity report. That is going to give us everything in its totality. We can group that now though, since we use units. So now we're seeing everything nice and clean for unit A, B, and C. We can also go to the takeoff summary. This will give us our linear as well. So here's the square footage for each unit and then the perimeter of each. Remember that we can group here as well. And then if we go to the third report, that'll give us our individual drawings. So right there we can see that we've done our 3, and then we can even group from here. So here's our individual drawings by unit. So we can get as granular as we want. We can export that out. Let's go back to our takeoff quantity report. We can send that over to Excel and do some work in it there. We can go back here to the takeoff, say that we wanted to add some markups. So we want to highlight there. I'm going to draw a little cloud figure around this measurement right there, so we know that that's good. And let's throw in a plan legend down here. Ooh, that's like super big. If it comes in really big, we can highlight it again with our edit arrow. Actually, that's not too bad. We'll stay with that. And then we can go over here and print it out. So you can see just in a matter of minutes, hit that one plan, and we're good to go. So it becomes incredibly fast. Remember to use your library, and you are good to go. So I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.